What's up, guys? Quarantine cruise 37, if you can believe it. Over 3 years of cruising. This is like, again, this is my 12th cruise, and I am stoked. I'm a little early finally, so there's cars are still rolling in. Subscribe if you haven't, because we got a lot more to come. But today I'm going to film as many cars as I can. I will have some driving footage, my 360 cam, this GoPro, whatever, and we'll get it done. So make sure you leave a comment what your favorite car was. Let's check out some rides to get you some enthusiasm for your build. David's car drove up with me from San Diego. Man, so much fun driving with someone. But this car is super clean, love it. Still has a Chevy block. Gotta appreciate that. '68. I don't know the owner yet. It's got nice 305s in the back though. Looking good. Oh, it's for sale. Check out the rear view mirrors. General Lee's here. Wow, so well done. '78 GMC, so clean, twisted. Oh wow, I know you guys can't see through that glass very well, but that stereo looks awesome. And a '71. Wait for it, wait for it. How much fun is this thing? It's almost like a boat. Wow. Pretty Penny is a name for a reason. Check this out. Oh, yes, copper. Copper. More copper. Nice. Eric 69, look at the air intake and the spoiler. This is Tony's badass build, and I'm going to show you why in a second, because the displacement is a crazy number. Yep, 632. How much fun is that? Sean's LS7. You gonna get in the shot? Oh, there he goes. There goes Sean. Love this Malibu too. Sounds like an absolute beast. I hope I get to film it on the road today. Just nice and clean, especially the interior. And just in case you need to know what the RPM is. Big old tack. Nice and clean. All stock. Just have to appreciate that. Wow. Fun to cruise? I bet it is. Alright, let's do this. I'm excited. Hopefully get some good shots. As you can tell, people are rolling out over here. I might sit here for a couple minutes just to see what happens. So, see you at the meetup point. Got made it to the meetup spot. Hope you love that coverage. That one parts hauler with the big wheels. I love that thing. The CTSV, I got to get me one of those. But I'm right here. And those of you that don't know, I have port injection now from Vitek. And I am absolutely loving it. I think the next thing we're going to do on the channel is timing control. So stay tuned, those of you that are interested in that. So subscribe if you haven't. But I'm gonna go ahead and walk around, check out some more cars, including the crazy ones like this one. You gotta love the ingenuity. So badass. There you go. So let's go walk around, find some more cars, hit the road because I want to go home. This is Nick Chevelle. Love it. He beats on it, driving it like he stole it. It's awesome. Give him a follow. Holy jeez. Good luck keeping the tires on the ground. Man. Hey Marianne, how are you? Yes, let's do the horn. Let's hear that horn. Yes, thank you. Love the way this truck sounds. Love the patina too. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I had a blast. I hope you like those cars. Again, leave a comment what your favorite car was. And wish me luck. I do not want to get towed home this time. If you missed that episode, go back to the last Quarantine Cruise episode. Oh my God. Damn, that was loud. So, anyway, we're out of here.